Good morning, YouTube. I don't know, I just made a video because I got asked the question of how do you afford to go camping with the gas prices being what they are. So, I don't know. Figured I'd make a fast video. So, I don't know. I mean, I got an older motorhome that's paid off. You know, it's not the nicest thing in the shed, but it does the job, and it has a bathroom, you know, shower, oven. So, I mean, basically, other than paying for obviously insurance in the motorhome, it's just storage and gas money. You know, I have to pay monthly storage, which is a bummer, and then gas money, because here's my grocery store. You know, I just grab whatever's out of my own cabinets and out of my own fridge. You know, whatever's in my fridge, and that's what I take with me camping. So that's only stuff that really goes in and out of camping, or go in and out of the RV, is just food. Everything else just stays in there. I've been camping for a long time. I've had a trailer before this, tent camper before that. I have stuff like my Goal Zero here. You know, I love my Goal Zero. I don't know if you see that. You know, have my stuff like Goal Zero. Gives me electricity. You got the generator, as you heard in the other video in the background, which was pretty annoying, so I apologize. But other than that, I mean, that's all I do. I mean, I really don't go anywhere where I have to pay. That Quartzsite was the first time in a long time I paid for camping, which for $40, man, that was well worth it. One of my favorite campgrounds is Canyon Point outside of Payson, and that's like 25, 30 bucks a night. But, you know, it gives you electricity, you know, dump and trash, and even have showers in those facilities. But use the time I just boondock. I fill up here and I dump out here. There's a state trailer probably about 5 or 8 miles south of here. So, and they have free dumping, and I like going to the state trailer anyways, you know, just walk into the store. Same thing every single time, but I still gotta walk through it. Go down every aisle and daydream about stuff I wish I could afford to do to the motorhome. But, yeah, I already have everything, so my biggest bill is just food. Food, that's it. I mean, food and gas. And, you know, I work some overtime so I can afford the gas and food. I just, like I said, I shop out of here unless for some reason I feel like there's something I need to get on the way. I'll stop at the grocery store. And I only buy food when I'm camping, knowing that's going to be food that I can bring back home that people, you know, the family will eat. So I don't try to do anything crazy. You know, I'll buy like frozen pizza, pot pie, you know, the banquet pot pies for $1.50 or whatever they are nowadays. You know, I'm just trying to do things on cheap end, because to me it's the more expensive when you go out to dinner or you know, do all the shopping and activities. Where that's why I kind of like the boondock, because my biggest activity is just me and the dog going for a walk. So, but I just wanted to show you where I do all my shopping for camping, and so here you go. Here it is. This is where I do all my shopping, and so other than gas money, that's it. All right, guys. Talk to you later. Hope everybody has a happy holidays. Bye.